Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Boeing, ticker symbol BA Boeing. Well, folks, pre-market we are sitting at $225.66. We opened up at $226.68. Came for the low, got opened up at $226.49, and then we rallied up, had a pullback, tested our pink line, that's the 200-day moving average, and acted as a support, and we rallied all the way high for the day. It was right at $231.54. Tested the view up after the market. You'll clearly see that acted as a massive support, and when we closed at $229.94, that's 1.46% for the day. After hours, it was slightly down, not a too concerned. But before I talk on the technical side, right, some important news we gotta cover, and this is very important because it could reflect the price of Boeing. Came out today, just actually an hour ago. FFA issues a directive Boeing 737 NG MAX planes of a potential fire suppression issue. The FFA on Thursday issued a new safety directive for Boeing 737 next generation, that's NG, and the MAX airplanes address a potential issue with reduced fire suspension capabilities. FFA said the planes have failed the electronic flow control of air conditioning packets and vent air into the cargo hold and other areas of the plane. That directly prohibits to operate from transporting cargo in the cargo hold if the airplanes are operating in the condition unless if their verified items are flammable and non-flammable, right? So this is very important because FFA has directive covers all Boeing 737, 8, 737, 9, 737, 800, 200 MAX, and some 737-800 also, right? Boeing did not comment today. The airworthiness directive impacts the 660 trains registered in United States, approximately 2,000 and 204,000 worldwide. So this is something we gotta see. Operators must comply with this directive beginning of 10 days after the date of publication. So we gotta see, right? It's gonna affect the airlines and even the cargo carriers they're using. The 737s, especially the MAX, right, and the next generations, to see how they deal with this because it could reflect on the stock price also. I don't see a whole lot on that, but something I wanted you guys to share with you guys quickly, right? And when we had this pullback, right, people were panicking over the shorts are taking over. I wanted to share with you guys, shorts are 1.65%, folks, right? What happened is the earnings and the news, the maxes of decreasing and the issues with the Dreamliner, then you'll see that's where we saw the rapid drop on the price, right? Nothing on the shorts were taking over. It was based on the company's fundamentals. It's just something, it's time to happen, right? It's not always going to hear some good news and you have these pullbacks, right? So let's talk about the technical side. Folks, also don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification if you guys want to be constantly be updated, and also any other stocks they're willing to cover. I cover the penny stock, also some of the penny stocks, a lot of growth stocks and long-term investments, even some option for day trade and potential swing trades options. Well, what I'm going to do is clean up my chart first, right? The last time we talked about it, let's clean up our chart, right? So the 200-day, right, we are back on the year to date. So this huge drop, right, going back, all this drop was in March on the February of 2011 when we were high of $339, and when the lockdown started in March, we see all the way to $89. Congrats to anybody who have jumped in. A lot of gains have made throughout the times. Still in the profitable right now, so I'm excited for you guys. Came all the way down, rapid up back again at $183, pull back again at 113, and then we kind of just pulling up all-time high for the year and then kind of pulling it back, right? So the pink line you'll see, that was a 200-day moving average. Yellow line, it is sitting, that's the 60-day moving average, right? And time when we came in, Chloe have a tested on it, even we traded below it, right? Now it's acting as support. We have the massive run, right? Time and time we have seen that when it came at 219, made a run all the way to 258, right? And so forth. Well, folks, right now, everything is squeezing in. What do I mean squeezing? So this is where I'm going to draw a chart with you guys and explain what I'm meant by squeeze is coming, right? The squeeze, what I'm talking about is none other than this squeeze right up here, right? So this squeeze I'm looking at right up here to see where we're gonna be squeezing on that, right? So once we have this pink line, the pink line is the 200-day moving average, where it's supposed to be acting as a support at $226.49, which you'll see right here, folks, right? $269.49. Guess what, folks? The low for the day was $226.49, right? Acting as a support. And the resistance sitting at $232.83 is right up here, which we came close to it a little bit, and we failed to break out on that, right? Time and time when we gapped up all the way to 233, even we crossed over, didn't hold back, right? So it could be some sort of right now. That's why we might have to. We won't be surprised if we have this pullback, even the low of $216, right? That's why I'm gonna draw a support level. Not I'm saying it's gonna happen, but we just gotta have ourselves prepared, because you'll see that acted as a support right here. So right here, $220.28. Let me double check, make sure I'm doing. Yeah, sorry, $218.23 is the support, which is gonna be our support level, right? That I'm looking at if we have a pullback. But the next resistance level, it's simple, $232, because I'm not gonna draw another line, but I'm definitely gonna have our resistance level sitting right up here, right, to cross at $240.81, and we'll see if we have this breakout pattern comes in, right? Right now we rallied all the way low of $204, and the volumes, folks, look at the volume. We had the high volume, but the volume pulled back when we were handling this selling pressure. Now we have seen these green bars. You see this right here, the volume predicts price. I have a lot of buyers are stepping in and trying to push the price all the way high of 240, even the highs of 258, right? So we gotta wait and see how this market plays out, right? Dow Jones was pretty much down today, but I'm not concerned about it. It is what it is, because they have an all-time high. SPY is all-time high. NASDAQ is all-time high. Dow Jones was all-time high. So we expected a pullback on that. Friday, the job numbers are coming on. An update on the pandemic. So we got to be very careful trading on Friday. But there's a lot of room left for them to make money. Definitely on that. RSI is sitting right in the neutral. There's a lot of room to run, folks. A lot of room. MACD is pointing uptrend. Everything is pointing towards an uptrend. So that's basically it. It's very simple, folks. The 200-day moving average sitting at $226.49. The resistance we got to break out is $232.83. Once we break out, next is 240, and we got to have this moving average, a blue line right here, cross over on the 60-day. Then is a confirmation for an uptrend, and which I'm excited about it. Well, folks, that's all I hope. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification. Good luck on Friday. And I'm going to do a recap video on the weekend, so stay tuned on that. Don't forget that on Friday we have the job numbers coming out, so just be prepared on that if we have a pullback. But I like what I see right now is $226.49 as a massive support level. That's all I have, folks. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.